Welcome back. Today, 50 easy English sentences. No pressure, just your voice and ours.
Listen and repeat. Let's go.
Can I get a coffee, please?
Can I get a coffee, please?
I'd like a small latte.
I'd like a small latte. Do you have oat milk?
Do you have oat milk?
Can we sit over there? Can we sit over there?
I'm still looking at the menu.
I'm still looking at the menu. What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
I'll have the chicken sandwich.
I'll have the chicken sandwich.
Could I get that without onions?
Could I get that without onions?
The cafe smells really good today.
The cafe smells really good today.
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
We are waiting for one more person.
We're waiting for one more person.
That dessert looks amazing.
That dessert looks amazing. I usually order the same thing here. I usually order the same thing here.
Could we get the bill, please?
Could we get the bill, please? I think I ordered the wrong drink. I think I ordered the wrong drink. Do you serve breakfast all day? Do you serve breakfast all day? The line is really long this morning. The line is really long this morning. I need a minute to decide. I need a minute to decide. Can I get an extra shot of espresso? Can I get an extra shot of espresso?
This place feels very cozy.
This place feels very cozy. We came here after work. We came here after work. Could I have some more water, please? Could I have some more water, please? The music in here is very relaxing. The music in here is very relaxing. I'm trying something new today. I'm trying something new today. That smells better than my coffee at home. That smells better than my coffee at home. Do you have anything vegetarian? Do you have anything vegetarian? I'll take the pasta and a lemonade. I'll take the pasta and a lemonade. Sorry, I think this isn't my order. Sorry, I think this isn't my order. Can we share one dessert? Can we share one dessert?
I forgot what I wanted to order.
I forgot what I wanted to order. The waiter was very friendly.
The waiter was very friendly.
This cafe is always busy on weekends.
This cafe is always busy on weekends.
I'm still learning how to order in English. I'm still learning how to order in English. Could you repeat that a little more slowly? Could you repeat that a little more slowly? The sandwich comes with fries and a drink. The sandwich comes with fries and a drink. We should come back here sometime.
We should come back here sometime.
I think this table is reserved.
I think this table is reserved.
Can I have the same thing as her?
Can I have the same thing as her?
That was much easier than I expected.
That was much easier than I expected.
The coffee is still too hot to drink.
The coffee is still too hot to drink. Would you like anything else?
Would you like anything else?
I'm just waiting for my order now. I'm just waiting for my order now.
The food arrived really quickly today.
The food arrived really quickly today.
Can we get 2 forks, please?
Can we get 2 forks, please? I didn't understand the last question.
I didn't understand the last question. That cake looks even better in real life.
That cake looks even better in real life.
We've been sitting here for almost an hour.
We've been sitting here for almost an hour. It feels easier to speak English in cafes now.
It feels easier to speak English in cafes now.
Everything on the menu looks good.
Everything on the menu looks good.
Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you. Have a great day.
And that's your 50 sentences for today.
Nicely done. Seriously, you practiced English today. That matters.
Tell us in the comments which sentence felt the most natural. Write just one.
And if this was helpful, a like and a subscription help us keep going.
Thanks for practicing with us today.
See you in the next one.